Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. On previous video, I had unboxing this multifunction clip LED light. Let's see if you want to know the inside of it. Considered like tear down, not really tear down, but to know the exactly the which battery does it use. Okay, so there's a 2 LED here. So use 3 battery off. LR44, LR44. Okay, so LR44. Yeah, LR44. So 3 battery of LR44 in case if you want to change the battery. So that's it. And then yeah, that's like that. This is inside of it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.